Welcome to Memo's Tech Tips. This is my third unboxing for today, and today I'm unboxing the Synology DS716 Plus NAS. Okay, this is a dual NAS. Yeah, dual NAS, and I'm getting a NAS because backup purposes. I got two of them, 4 drives, and not, it's gonna be for 2 office. Well, if you watch my previous videos, you will know. There's 2 offices to this business, 1 server. But what I'm gonna do is I'm running a VPN, and I'm gonna have an offsite, which is the other office. I'm gonna keep a backup over there and a backup here. Simple. And I'm gonna keep one in the cloud because why not? So this is just going to be an unboxing. So we have Synology. It's a very good brand. You have Seagate and Western Digital. They all make NASs. I mean, when it comes to feature set, I think the Synology wins when it comes to their software and all their features within their software. That was the monster I was drinking before. So we open it up. We got like thin little phone there. Okay. And we have the NAS in here. Okay, protected by whatever that is, whatever that's called. I don't know. I'm not an expert. Power cable, 3-prong for. Keep that separate. I have everything like spread out. I should like not mix things. Got screws, probably for. I want to say the NAS is the hard drives. I thought they were gonna be quick release. Got an Ethernet cable. It looks like Cat 5e. Okay. Got the power adapter here. Got the power brick. Boom, boom, and the cable goes in there. So yeah. And what else we got? Ooh, oh yeah, another Ethernet cable because this is a dual LAN NAS. Freaking awesome. And we have the biggest Ziploc for a piece of paper ever, and some like plastic keys, I guess, to close the hard drive swaps. And that's it for the box. So let me pull up this NAS real quick on the Synology website. DS716 Plus, because I'm pretty sure they have a 716 non-plus. So the ideal NAS server for growing businesses. Yes. So VMware ready. Server 2012 certified. So Server 2012 R2 certified. Rewrite speed. The read is about 225. Write it's about 150. Dual WAN. So let's start. Keep unboxing. Synology. And so let's go to the back before we get to the. So we got a nice fan there. I don't know what size fan that is. That's probably like a whatever. It's a fan. I don't know. Gets rid of the heat from the hard drives. We got dual WAN ports. Aggregate, of course, load balancing, failover. In case one of them fails, the other one picks up the slack. When you can aggregate them to get 2 gigabits per second. Not bad. Got the power, 2 USB 3.0s, and a eSATA port. So in case you want to daisy chain this to another one, so you could daisy chain them all to a bigger array or another one of these. At the bottom, we got some feet here, the metal shroud. The side, Synology. Is that vent holes? Yep. That Synology is has like vent holes on them. I don't know if you can see them, but and some vent holes there. So that way when the air pulls, it pulls it. That's how it does it. That's the exact sound it does it too. And we have the front. Okay, so we got the two hard drive trays. We got a status LED, LAN 1 LED, LAN 2 LED. We got I'm guessing that's a C. I have no idea what the C means. But whatever. Another USB 3.0, so 3 USB 3.0s. That's not bad. And a power. Okay, so it's already unlocked. So just like boom, and then you take them out. Here's the hard drive tray, and they look toolless. So I don't know what the hell. Why do I have screws? I don't know why I have screws, but they look toolless. So what I got you here, I don't need to make a damn unboxing on a hard drive. Everybody's seen a hard drive. So which hard drive did I get? I am gonna do an unboxing on the hard drive just to make another video. But I got 4 of these suckers. So we have Seagate 4GB Enterprise NAS HDD with Rescue Data Recovery Service. Very, very fancy. Alright, so this is a 4TB NAS drive. And what's the difference between a NAS drive and a regular hard drive? When you start stacking these up in a NAS environment, okay, whether it be 2 drives up to 16 drives, 30, whatever drives, the vibration tolerance, remember, this is a platter that's spinning, okay? You could put SSDs in here, fine. I'm not buying a 4TB SSD. I could have bought 1TB SSDs, but still, yeah, no, it's fine. 4TB plus another 4TB in RAID 1 or 5, no, RAID 1. Whichever RAID it is that does the failover, that one. So in case one drive fails, boom, I can pop that in, pop the other one in, finito. Okay, so I'm gonna have 4TB NAS. Actually, it's 2 4TB. It's gonna be in a RAID configuration for. It's only gonna give me 4TB. Whatever, math. And this comes with the Rescue Plus Data Recovery Service. So the Seagate one, I usually like Western Digital Reds. Okay, they are really good drives. There's nothing wrong with them. I like them both. This one, however, you could purchase a recovery service for the Western Digital Red non-pro and pro one, but you have to. It's like from a third party. This one is from Seagate themselves. Okay, so this fails. Seagate, help. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Pack it up. UPS. A few days later, hey, recover the files. Really? Thank you. I was having nightmares. Thank you. UPS, unbox, put it back, done. Okay, and I think this is 3 years or 4 years. I forgot exactly. But it is a 7,200 RPMs. And it's not gonna be. Nobody's gonna be really using this. It's just gonna be for server backup and maybe some other backups. That's all it's gonna be. So I don't really need it to be fast. I don't need an SSD cache. You can do a number of things with this NAS, SSD caching, a bunch of stuff. You know, there's some that come with like 4 NICs, so you can have like 4 gigabits. So yeah. I don't really need for it to be that crazy. So the SSD. So yeah, you could buy the DX513, which has a 5 bay. You know, so supports 4K Ultra HD video transcoding, award-winning OS, disk station manager. So it has a lot of apps that you could put on there. Um, like Google Drive. You could put so many apps in this thing. It's ridiculous. It's basically its own computer. Like when you put in the HTTP, when you go to the HTTP for the web manager, oh my god, it's like you're in a computer. It's crazy. Um, what else? So many things to even tell you about. Forget about it. Mirroring, which is probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like a mirroring with both of them, so I have this one and the other one in the other office through the VPN. Active NAS and passive NAS. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a backup for the NAS. And why you want to do that? Fire. Water damage. Theft. There's so many things that can go wrong in an office environment with employees. You have to protect yourself. You have to protect yourself. If you don't have a second location, cloud backup, Carbonite. I don't know. Do something. I usually use Carbonite. I forgot the other ones that were out there, but Carbonite works for me. So yeah, let's pop this sucker in. What the hell am I waiting for? I'm pretty sure this goes like this. I have no idea, but put this here. I'm a professional. I am a professional. Don't worry about it. I think I am though. I am the. Okay. Hold on. Oh, yeah, that works. This little thing is heavy too. This little hard drive. Not little, it's big. So we pop that there, and there we go. There we go. And put this in here. Done. So you could so it has another hole here, so that's where the screws go. So that way, in case you want extra secure, that way it doesn't the vibrations and stuff. But it's just gonna be two hard drives. It's not gonna be that bad. So inside you see the hot swap, and you actually see right through it. You see the fan. So it's gonna be good airflow going through this sucker. Okay, so you pop that in. Boom. Done. Okay, and I have three more, and that's it. You boot them up, and in case there's a LED here, number 1, number 2. There's like little lights on there, and then the little key in case you want to close it. You see that little thing? So the key closes it. I don't know how secure that is, because you could definitely put a screwdriver there and just pop that sucker out. I don't know why they didn't do that. So, it gives you some. In case you have this like in a WAM or like some kind of gaming convention or any kind of type of convention, I guess that's kind of a little bit of protection. Whoa, where are you going, sucker? And yeah, you pop them out, just in case something goes wrong, and that's it. So 4 terabyte drive. They have 3, 2. I think they have 6. I'm not sure. There's like infinite gigabytes now. Forget about it. So that's it. That's it for the NAS. And I'll see if I do like a little video on how it performs. I'm not really looking for performance. I'm just looking for reliability. Okay? If I'm looking for performance, maybe this will do, but there's other ones that have like different CPUs. So this one has I think this one has an Intel Celeron N3150 64-bit architecture, quad core, 1.6 gigahertz, burst up to 2.08 gigahertz, floating point hardware encryption engine AES-NI, hardware encoding engine H.264, MPEG 2, VC-1, maximum resolution 4K, maximum frame rate per second 30, system memory 2 gigabytes. There's some that you can upgrade the memory to them. Base 2, maximum drive drive bay with expansion unit 7, so you could put up to a 7 bay unit for extension. Compatible drive type support, so they have 3.5 inch SATA 3, 2.5 inch SATA 3 hard drives, and a 2.5 SATA SSD. Maximum internal raw capacity 16 terabytes, so 8 terabyte can be on this. Compatibility capacity may vary by RAID types, of course. Maximum with expansion units 56 terabytes. That's a lot of terabytes. And 3 USB 2.0s, 3.0s, one eSATA USB copy. So I guess if you plug in a USB to this, like a hard drive, you can press. Oh, that's what it's for. The copy C. So you could plug in like maybe like even a flash drive. Plug that sucker in. Press C. Copies it. Backs up. Boom. Done. A lot of file systems. I'm not gonna name all. There's supports every damn file system there probably is. 2 with link aggregation, failover support, LAN ports. We discussed that. Wake up on LAN. System fan. It's a 92 millimeter by 92 millimeter fan. So there you go. That's the size. Cool, quiet mode. Wireless support dongle. So you could put a dongle on this for Wi-Fi, and you can make a Wi-Fi instead of LAN. I don't know why I'm able to do that unless you want to hide this like in the ceiling, which would be kind of cool for like security cameras. Power recovery, blah blah blah, temperatures, who cares? I don't care about it. 3-year warranty, great, and I'd probably put more warranty through Amazon and everything else. Whatever. I'm gonna put a link to that in the show notes. This is already a 17-minute video. Peace. Leave a comment, rate, subscribe, like, dislike, leave a comment. Like I said before, I try to respond to all of them 99.9% of the time. And check out my other unboxings that I just did today. Peace, guys. Have a good one. Or ladies.